father make a Ganpati. And what turned out was a monkey. This is exactly what has happened to the bill. The bill that has been placed in Parliament misses the essentials. What is the essential? All law, all regulation must be citizen directed. I look at it like the triangle of forces. At the apex is a citizen, his rights you have to protect. The state has certain rights, it is one apex. Trade and commerce has other rights, it has other apex. So the resultant of these three must be what must be the law is. Unfortunately, the rights of the citizen have been negated. The government says, oh, personal law, I can anytime take it away, I can anytime take it away by an order made by an executive. That, in my opinion, is an unconstitutional provision, and I hope Parliament really goes into it. So they asked me, and I said, hey, this is too complex for your Parliament leaders to understand, and 300 fellows will put up their hands without understanding anything. Put it before a select committee. Now the bill is before a select committee, and I hope select committee takes some evidence from experts and comes to a conclusion. And then we'll see बाकी का पर्दे में देखेंगे क्या होता है. Now, the ladies and gentlemen, the danger is if you do not protect the rights of the citizens and do not follow the law which is constitutionally valid, we are all going to be puppets in the hands of the government, and that is totally undesirable. And finally, as whatever comes, if they ask you anytime any inputs, please give them inputs and tell that how do you protect my fundamental rights. We don't want to have another this collegiate protest on this issue also. So subject to this, ladies and gentlemen, this long, painful, boring talk comes to an end. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I don't think so. It was a long and a boring talk in today's context. Being an IT teacher, I keep on telling my students to collect some data. I think so. Now, next question they will ask me is how to protect that data, miss, before you tell me to collect the data. I would like to ask the decorum if they have any questions to ask. Any questions, any clarifications? You all are most welcome.
No questions means two possible things. A, everything is understood, or nothing is understood.
We move to the Excellence Awards 2018-19. Voltaire said, "Appreciation is a wonderful thing. It makes what is excellent in others belongs to us as well." The awards presented today are instituted in the name of Justice Dr. Radhakrishna Sir and his family members. So may I now invite Honorable Justice Dr. Radhakrishna Sir. Dr. Radhakrishna Sir, as well as our chief guest for today's function, B.N. Krishnan Sir, to kindly do the honors with their family members. May I invite? The first award is Srimati Sita Sundaram Award to Aman Kumar Tiwari for securing highest percentage in the HSC examination under science stream in the academic year 2018-19. May I request Sri Krishna Sir along with Radhakrishna Sir. Purnima Chittapurapu for securing highest percentage in the HSC examination under Commerce stream in the academic year 2018-19. Next we have Vaishnavi Chavan for securing highest percentage in the HSC examination under Arts stream in the academic year 2018-19. The next award is P.V. Subramaniam Award, has been conferred to Disha Patel for securing highest score in the Bachelor of Commerce examination for the academic year 2018-19. P.V. Subramaniam Award has been conferred to Sheetal Gupta for securing highest score amongst all the self-financing undergraduate and postgraduate programs offered by the college for the academic year 2018-19. All these awards have been instituted by Dr. Radhakrishna sir and his family with an award of Rs 5,000 as monetary appreciation. The next award is Shri V.K. Sundaram Award, which has been conferred to Sujesh Menon for his outstanding exemplary performance in extracurricular activities for the academic year 2018-18. He has been conferred the title of Golden Boy by University of Mumbai as he participated National Youth Festival. I am indeed privileged to read his accolades. Last year's achievements: 51st University Festival, Indian Instrumental Percussion, Gold Medal, Indian Light Vocal, Gold Medal, Classical Vocal, Silver, National Level Jasne Kawali, Gold Medal, Indradhanusha State Level, has won gold levels in one-act play, Western Group Song, Light Vocal, Indian Classical Vocal, Indian Instrumental Percussion, Overall Championship at State Level, National Level Folk Orchestra Gold, Indian Group Song and Western Group Song Silver, Overall Championship at National Level, performed at the South Asian University Festival conducted at Raipur University, bagged the Overall Championship in Oneness Dance and Music Festival, national as well as international, conducted by University of Kerala and Kerala State Youth Affairs. And that's the reason we have a golden boy taking the title of Outstanding Exemplary Performance in Extracurricular Activities. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. Gratitude is the best thing to conclude anything. May I now invite our principal, Dr. Videcha Shetty Madam, to propose the vote of thanks. There's one more award. I'm sorry. I'm very proud to be a part of Vivek family, where we have a management as strong pillars with magnanimous heart. They are unique and distinctive. Every year, they appreciate the staff who has taken a little step forward in completing their higher education by monetary felicitation. It's my honor to announce Dr. Neelu Khosla has been conferred upon Doctor of Philosophy in Center for Central Eurasian Studies, and may I request the entire dignitaries to do the honors with Sri Krishna Sir, Honorable Justice Dr. Radhakrishna Sir, our President, Sri Ram Sir, our Vice President, K.S. Krishnan Sir, and along with our Principal, Dr. Vidya Shetty Madam. We also have Dr. Tangadurai Sir, who completed his Doctor of Philosophy in Commerce, a study of customer satisfaction between private and public sector life insurance companies. With a check amount of 25,000 and all the cash prizes which have been instituted by Honorable Justice Dr. Radhakrishnan Sir has a cash prize of 5,000 for academic performance and 15,000 for extracurricular activities. Thank you, sir. And may I now invite our Principal Ma'am to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, Professor Maria. A very good afternoon to one and all. As a principal of the college, it's my honor and a privilege to propose the vote of thanks for the first annual Srimati A.A. Saraswati Memorial Lecture. Honorable Justice Sri Krishna Sir, we are indeed very privileged to have you as a keynote speaker for this maiden memorial lecture. We are grateful to you for accepting our invitation and completely raising the stature of this lecture. Sir, your repertoire of knowledge on data protection is exemplary and undebatable. However, to the young audience here, you have made it very plain, lucid, and I'm sure each and every of the students who are sitting here you have sown the seed of data protection in their mind. Yes or no? Yes. We are thankful to your dear wife, Dr. Purnima Sri Krishna. Madam, we are very, very honored that you have graced this occasion. We are thankful to Honorable Justice Dr. Radhakrishnan, Sir, Madam, Raji Madam, and all your family members for your gracious presence and for having instituted this memorial lecture for the benefit of all the students who are the future caretaker of this great country. My humble thanks to all the esteemed guests, the corporate delegates, our CDC members, all the heads of the institutions who are here from different colleges, our auditors, our bankers, the members of the governing council, the faculty members from various colleges, the students who have come all the way from Bhiwandi and Kalyan just to attend this lecture. We are indeed very, very thankful to all of you for having graced this occasion. I thank, on behalf of my entire team, the management of Vivek Education Society for their involvement and support right from the planning and the execution of this flagship program. I thank my entire team, Vivek, all the heads of the institutions who are here, the principal of the school, the headmistress of the primary section, the entire team Vivek, the student, volunteers, my faculty members, the support staff, the technical staff, the caterers, and my dear Vivians who are here. My heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all the organizing team at Vivek for their efforts to make this event a memorial one. On a very lighter note, with your permission, I would like to say that when we were setting this stage, I was very sure this lecture is already a success. With so many Krishnas on the dais, we have Sri Krishna sir we have our Bhishma Pitama Krishnan sir, we have Radha Krishnan sir, and we have Sriram sir. How can the event not be successful? This memorial lecture is basically conducted for the students. The objective and the ethos is to go back to the students, tell them about what is happening in the topical areas. And what we had decided is we will be doing it on every Youth Day. Tomorrow is the National Youth Day. And every year we'll be having a memorial lecture on the 12th of Jan. Keeping this ethos in mind, where 12th of Jan is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, I would like to conclude with a quote by our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He says, I quote, "My message especially to the young people is to have courage to think differently, courage to invent, to travel the unexplored path, the courage to discover the impossible, and the courage to conquer the problem and succeed. These are the great qualities that they must work towards. And this is my message to all the young people." Unquote. So every little smile can touch somebody's heart. Nobody is born happy, but all of us have the ability to create happiness. Always be happy, be cheerful, and spread happiness around. We follow Swami Vivekananda's ideals, and that is why I say, arise and awake, and stop not till your goals are achieved. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, madam. Kindly rise for national anthem. Thank you very much. I request the students to be seated. To all the faculties who have participated today from other than Vivek College, and also to the students to kindly collect their certificates.